This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and powering the unit so enrollment can start immediately. First, connect the 12 VDC or PoE cable and wait for the boot sequence. This ensures sensors initialize correctly. Once done, verify network connectivity, static IP or DHCP, because communication prevents later sync issues. Make sure you have administrator credentials and the list of users to enroll. These steps let you proceed without interruptions and explain why hardware, network, and account readiness matter before you touch templates. You now enroll each user and tune settings for reliable recognition. Navigate to the admin menu, create user ID, and assign them access groups so permissions align with roles. Capture 2 to 3 fingerprints per finger or multiple facial angles to reduce false rejects. That redundancy improves matching accuracy during real use. Next, configure anti-spoofing thresholds and decide whether templates stay local or sync to cloud. Make sure to set session timeouts and logging so audits and real-time decisions function as intended. You finish by validating and preparing for real operation. Perform walkthrough tests with several users to confirm successful scans, intentional failures, and door control timing. This verifies end-to-end behavior. Export logs and backup templates to secure storage, and schedule routine sensor cleaning so performance remains consistent. If problems arise, first reboot the device and inspect power and network cabling. Then rescan templates and lower anti-spoof thresholds slightly if genuine users are rejected. This troubleshooting sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.